Hey guys, this is JP from the Rehab Life. You may know us from our DIY tutorials on YouTube, but we are also full-time home flippers. We thought we'd try something new today and take you on a tour of our latest project here in South Minneapolis. We just closed on it about a week ago and we're going to start in on the demo soon. Thought we'd give you a tour of that before it started. So here's the exterior. You can just start walking up this way. We're not going to do much on the exterior for this one. Probably just going to power wash it. The roof's in good shape still, and it looks pretty decent. We might paint the front door, but everything else is in good shape. Obviously a little landscaping. We should be all set. So come on in, we'll show you the rest. Going to start off with the living room here. So come on in. It's a pretty decent size, so we're going to kind of keep this as is. There's not going to be any huge changes. The major change here is going to be we're going to put a doorway here so we can access the basement. Right now it's around the other side of the kitchen, but we want to make the kitchen a little larger, so we're going to use that doorway for cabinet space. And then the other big issue with this house in general is a lot of these style homes don't have any dining rooms. So right now we are going to take this space here, bump it back about 4 feet, and create a dining space. So hopefully that makes the house a little more appealing. You gotta have a place to eat, right? And I'll take you down the hallway here first. Alright, and here we have our pretty old-timey bathroom. So we're probably gonna be gutting this whole bathroom and just bringing it up to speed a little more with today's style and trends. And then we also have 2 bedrooms down here on the end of the hallway. And we're not going to do any major changes in here aside from this closet is where we're pulling the extra 4 feet of space for the dining room. So we're going to close this off. This closet space will actually be the living room now, where we're going to put our table, and then we're going to just box in a closet in this area. Other than that, just paint, and it should be good. And this room even simpler, no big changes in walls or anything, just paint and shine it up a bit and we should be all set. There's a dog barking outside, so Henry's going a little nuts here. We'll take you up there in a sec, that's the attic space. We'll let Les show you that one. And then here we have the kitchen. Buddy. So here is the doorway that I was talking about earlier. So it kind of just makes it not a ton of room for a kitchen. So we're going to wall this off here, put the fridge, stove, and more cabinet space. And then this side we're going to add a dishwasher, make it look pretty nice with a nice backsplash, maybe some open shelving, new appliances, keep the sink under the window. Gotta love the kitchen window. And then we're going to keep this double sliding door. It's actually in really good shape, so we're going to clean that up a little bit and then power wash and paint the deck. And we should be set here on the main floor. So I will let Liz take you through the attic and basement space coming up here. Say bye, Henry.
Hi guys, welcome to our first home tour. As JP mentioned, this is a 1.5 story, so we are going to be refinishing the attic and turning it into a bedroom. So I'm going to take you up there and show you what we're going to do. I guess Henry's coming along for the ride. So these stairs will more than likely be getting carpet. What's not getting carpet is these cool floorboards. We've seen these in attic spaces before and refinished them with really fantastic results. They end up looking really great. And in this area here, we're going to be putting a 3/4 bathroom in. The space behind me will be the master bedroom. And up above, we're going to add more beams going across and put lighting inside the beams. So that's what we're doing up here. Let's go down to the basement and see what we're doing down there. All right, we're down in the basement now. Currently it is unfinished. We are going to be finishing it, adding a family room and a bedroom. Over in this area here, we have the utility area with the washer and dryer, and that is going to stay there. So that area will not get finished, but the rest of the basement is. So back behind me, as soon as you come down the stairs, this whole space here is going to be family room. This weird framing is going to be taken out. Just going to add some soffits for the water meter there. And over here, we are going to add a bedroom. So we'll need to put in an egress window and a closet to make it a legal bedroom. So that's going to go right in the space.
All right, guys, that concludes the first home tour of this property. Stay tuned and we'll bring you more updates and see the progress. Have a good one.